Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. This video is proof that the AnyDesk is better than TeamViewer remote access software for your computer. If you have your computer hooked up to your GMRS two-way radio repeater, then this video will show you that it's actually a faster connection, the AnyDesk, compared to TeamViewer. Now I apologize, I can't do this video any better. I tried to do a screen record on my tablet, but the problem is TeamViewer kills my audio for some reason. So right now, and you probably can't see it, so I want to explain the setup here. I have 2 bars out of 4 for cellular service. I have the tablet plugged into power, obviously charging at 92%, but it's plugged into power. I am 2.6 miles away from the repeater. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in to AnyDesk first, and then I will show you when I key up with a handheld. I'm going to use a handheld. When I key up on the handheld, you'll be able to see the response time, how fast I get it on my end on this tablet. Like I said, I'm 2.6 miles away. I'm using cellular, no Wi-Fi, no nothing. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video so you don't see my login on my AnyDesk, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I'm logged in remotely to my repeater laptop, like I said. That's 2.6 miles away as the crow flies. When I key up the handheld with no external antenna, you're going to see the S meter on here, and you'll see the fast response I get back to this tablet. So let's key it up. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to maybe play it back if it can hit it. Okay, the point is not really what the reading is on the meter. I'm just showing you how fast the response I get through the internet back to me that I'm in my vehicle. Okay, this is AnyDesk remote software. I'm going to do it again. Matter of fact, we're going to turn down, I forgot I had this volume up here. We're going to turn all this down. Now watch, I'm going to turn the volume down on the handheld here. Radio check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Radio check, radio check, radio check. And you can see I get a very fast response, real quick. Obviously, the reason being why when I transmit the first time, why it's really low, because that's the frequency going into the repeater. Now the repeater's kicking on, that's why it's pegging the needle. But that ain't the point of the video. The video is to show you how fast the data comes back to me, almost instant. Okay? Now, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to log into TeamViewer, if I can even get a connection. And if I can, I will show you how slow that is. I'll be right back. Okay, it took me a couple tries, but we got it. I can't move, for some reason my mouse, I can't get it to move that, close that window, but you'll get the point. I'm going to key up the radio, and let's see how fast of a response I get. I can tell you right now it's not looking good, because I should get a little bit of flickering on the S1, and I'm not even getting that. I'm not even getting that. If you look, oh, nope, connection been lost. See? There you go. There you go. I can't even get the connection. And I'm at, like I said, I'm still in the same spot. Let's exit out of here. Oh, did it come back? Maybe it came back. But again, I'm not even getting an S1 flickering at all. I should be getting that without even keying the radio up. I should be getting an S1 flickering on that scale. So, yeah, this ain't good. This is TeamViewer. This ain't good. Let's go back to AnyDesk and see if it still works. Maybe something happened on the other end, but let's verify that it's a TeamView problem and not an AnyDesk. So I'll be what I want to do here before I do that. I want to show you that I'm going to show you. I'm going to exit this. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but you can still see I'm still getting 2 bars. And you can verify this yourself. You just go to a spot where you get like 2 bars and compare it to yourself. I'll be right back. I'm going to log on to AnyDesk. Okay, I'm back. Wow, what a difference. I logged in with no problem. Let's see if I can close this TeamView window. Look at that. I can even close that. I'm still not getting, but I am getting readings here. So let's see if I keep the radio. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. I did hit the repeater. That's why it's keying up, but you can't make out what it says. So there. Okay, so let's be fair. Okay, I guess I'm not flickering with AnyDesk, but you can see it here, the noise level. So let's go back to TeamView and see if I get the same thing. Let's key up this one more time. We're going to key up the radio, and hopefully you'll hear it. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Look how fast I get that right back to me. Okay, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to log into TeamView. Give them a chance one more time. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back in TeamView, which was hard to sign in. Let's key up the radio and see if I get anything coming back. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not even showing on the display. I ain't getting nothing. Wow. Let me try one more time. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Nothing on that display at all. I don't care about the audio not coming back to the repeater. That's, like I said, we're more worried about the S getting the readings back remotely, and I'm not even getting that. Nothing with TeamView. Wow. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And obviously, I'm hitting the repeater because I can hear it. I can hear it trying to key up. Wow. So let's go back one more time. Let's go back to AnyDesk. Make sure nothing crashed on the other end. One more time. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see if I can close out this TeamView message. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's key up the radio. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. I'm already getting readings right back. So there you have it. I mean, AnyDesk is better. At least, in my case, you guys can easily verify this. Install AnyDesk and then install TeamView on your computer. Then on your smartphone, do the same thing, and then go out so you only get like two bars, 2 out of 4. I don't know if other ones are the same way, but for me it's 2 out of 4. Then try to connect and see if you can get a good connection with TeamView, and I'll bet you're gonna like AnyDesk a lot better. And I'm almost pretty sure you're going to see a difference. Like I said, I'm 2 out of 4. iPad plugged in. Battery's fully charged. And I can't even get the readings to even show coming back to here when I'm in. My S-meter doesn't even go up and down at all. That's how much lag TeamView has. This signs in faster. This got very fast response. I mean, you can hear, I'm holding the handheld next to the microphone, and you can see how fast response I'm getting. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's coming, look at that, right away. 2.6 miles away from the repeater as the crow flies. AnyDesk is a winner. And it looks to be free. I haven't played with it a lot, so I'm still playing with it. But I'll post a link to the AnyDesk down in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the below, and please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.